In addition to the support provided by CMMS in maintenance task management, there are two essential tools for effective planning and scheduling: Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Project. These tools are frequently confused and considered the same for planners, schedulers, supervisors, and even managers. Often face the dilemma of choosing the appropriate application, as the right decision can significantly impact planning and scheduling timelines, job effectiveness, and the proper allocation of human and financial resources. Hello, I'm Víctor Martínez, technical consultant at IDCON, and today I'm going to talk about and discuss the suitable scenarios for using these tools and their limitation in different maintenance, planning, and scheduling activities. Enjoy it. Microsoft Excel is a flexible tool used for data analysis and schedule creation. It's ideal for recording and analyzing maintenance data such as downtime, failure histories, and repair costs, although with certain limitations. Excel is useful for creating basic daily and weekly maintenance schedules, as well as tracking the availability of trays per week through task checklists and preventive maintenance schedules. However, it has limitations when it comes to detailed planning and managing complex projects, such as lower resource tracking capacity and difficulties in managing the critical path. Microsoft Project is an advanced tool designed for detailed planning and project management. It allows for the creation of detailed schedules with task dependencies, resources allocation, and progress tracking. One of its most powerful features is the ability to manage the project's critical path, identifying tasks that determine the overall duration of the project, and any delays in these tasks will affect the overall schedule. Additionally, it enables the allocation of money, labor, materials, and equipment for comprehensive project management. Some limitations are: it's not user-friendly, requires time and effort to master all its functions and features. For simpler projects or small planning tasks, Microsoft Projects can be overwhelming due to its wide range of features. Use Microsoft Excel for basic maintenance data analysis, daily, weekly, and personnel availability scheduling, checklists, downtime tracking, and use Microsoft Project for detailed planning of maintenance projects, for example, capital projects, major maintenance tasks, and shutdown turnaround process as stop, critical path management, and prioritization of critical tasks, resource allocation, and progress tracking. The combination of Excel and Project enables maintenance professionals to optimize the efficiency and effectiveness of their operations. Summarizing, Excel is useful for basic analysis and simple schedules, while Project is the best option for detailed planning and management of complex projects. This strategy allows for comprehensive and effective maintenance management across all phases. I'm Victor Martinez, technical consultant at IDCON, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.